Hello everybody, I'm at Lowe's with Teddy, who is just shy of 18 weeks old. So very young puppy, youngest dog by far to graduate not just our board and train, but our behavior modification month-long program. He was actually scheduled to come at 6 months old, but by 14 weeks he was getting aggressive, guarding things in the house, biting people. So we said, yep, just drop him off. We'll see what we can do. And this guy's actually made quite a turnaround. He went from trying to fight us literally over everything every day to just being more puppy-like, playing in the yard, playing with us, listening without complaint. And you know what that means? It means he can be a family dog that they can enjoy, and we can take him anywhere with us, include him more. So this is the heel command, walk nicely. We're just walking around the aisles, making sure he can listen in a public place. When you're thinking about socializing puppies, it doesn't mean taking them, it does mean taking them out in public, but we don't want crazy and wild behavior. So you can't take your puppy out, let it pull, lunge, bark, whine, and call that socialization. Socialization is just teaching your puppy to be neutral and calm in a public place. So we want to make sure this experience is controlled, neutral, positive. So I'm not going to allow any barking, pulling, jumping on people. So he's actually learning how to behave in a public place by way of trying stuff and then figuring out what not to do. And then what works is always what we've taught him. I love coming to places like this because there's noises, there's scary objects, and we get to see their organic reactions. Remember, at drop-off, it was just nonstop barking. We had to actually cut the drop-off short because I couldn't have that barking in my quiet neighborhood on a Saturday morning.
Good job, buddy.
What's your question?